Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you, it says just a couple things that I got from an antique store. We have been going to antique stores just like we usually have been, and every time I strike out, which I mean, it's just part of it, right? But it's just like every time I'd either see something that I really liked and it was way overpriced and I wasn't going to spend that much money, or I'd see something and it wasn't striking me that I needed it, or I just could not find something that I liked. Well, finally my husband and I went to one that we had never been to before, and we didn't even plan to go to it. We just kind of drove by and was like, hey, let's stop at that one. And I found something that I was so super excited to find, and I'm so super excited to show it to you guys, because I have been wanting to, I'm trying to think of how I can word this. I have been looking for something new, but yet something that new to me, something that I remember from when I was a kid, in my grandma's house with her crocheted stuff, and I just couldn't find anything. Well, finally at this one I found something, and when I saw it I thought, I remember those. So let me show you what I found. Let me get it ready. It's a broom doll. Do you guys remember these? I'm trying to grab there. Oh, when I saw this, I was just like, this is too cool, and I'm so excited I found it. And this is one of those things that I can just sit and pick apart in no time and have a pattern for this, or come up with my own pattern. And now it's about a good 12 inches tall, from like here to here, or to here, the top of the hat. And the broom, which is shocking, is not falling apart either. Like, it's a good sturdy broom. I think that's gonna be my problem, is finding brooms. I'm sure I can. I'll do some research the best I can and find something that you guys could get that would be, similar to, or what I can get that you guys can do that'll be just the same. But, oh, I left a little tag on there. The little flowers in her hand are those little fake ones. Ooh, they sound old. You probably didn't even hear that. But this is all crocheted. This is crocheted. And then you've got some doll hair, and I know exactly where we can get that at. What is that website? Factory Direct? CR Crafts, maybe? I don't know. I'll look into it, but I was so excited when I found this. And I can hang her. I want to hang her somewhere you guys can see her. This room, so it's an, do they call it an A-frame or something? So the wall is actually flat until right here, and then it's angled like this off of the wall. So I can't hang anything here because it looks funny. It actually just hangs down, and then I'll be hitting it, and I don't want to do that. So I don't know where I could hang her that you guys, oh, wait a minute, I guess I could go here. Yeah, I could hang her right there. I'm going to do that right now. I have all the goodies I need right here. Ooh, that might be a little low. How about we come up to there? Oh, geez. There it went. Ah, see? Ta-da! New wall decor. But another thing I found, and I already cut this open so you guys don't have to listen to the crinkle. I found this bag, and it had doll hair in it, which, perfect. Had blonde and like a reddish brown. Oh, whoo, that smells funny. And then it had these two faces in it, and I love these bigger faces because they fit better. they fit my, I've got more over there. They fit, like the normal ones that you would find are a little, the faces in them are a little too small, so these bigger ones work perfect. But they were only that whole bag was $3. And we went to an antique store one time, and they had, I think it was just a face. If I remember right, it was just a face, and it was like $10. And I thought, you are insane. $10 for that. And it was funny because the description on the tag said, scary doll face. It's like, yeah. I was just kind of like, yep, it's awfully scary. But other than that, I mean, we went to that antique store. My brother-in-law is in the hospital. He has lung cancer that's spread, and he just not doing so great. So we went up there to see him, and that's where we actually spotted that antique store and stopped before we went to the hospital. He's keeping his demeanor, or his what's the word I'm trying to say? I don't know why it is I get in front of this camera and my mind just goes blank and I cannot think of words that I'm trying to say. His mental health is still good. I'll say that. So, I mean, him keeping his mental health good, fingers crossed. So we went up there and saw him and visited with him for a little bit, and then we came home, and pretty much we spent the weekend, Memorial Day weekend, at home, and we just had a blast sitting in the backyard with the fire, listening to the radio, and grilling out all weekend. Just me and my girls and my husband. And they recently, just today, great news, they both started their new job. One is working at a Sonic and one is working at a Subway. So we are super excited for that. And my daughters, so I have two daughters. I have the one I gave birth to and the one that my daughter and I chose to be with us. So my daughter's truck broke down. The engine, something about, I don't know what the third cylinder dropped. I don't know. Anyway, so I have been thinking, what is a way that I can get some extra funds going to help pay for this motor? I mean, she's paying on it, or going to pay on it. My husband's going to pay on it, and I can, but I want to come up with something off or outside of my, I have a full-time job as well as YouTube. And I thought, well, what's something that I can do to get these funds coming from a different direction? Does that make sense? So it's not coming out of my YouTube, or it's not coming out of my 9-to-5 job. So what I've decided to do is to post on Etsy. I'm going to put a link in the description box. Post on Etsy some of my makes that I have piled up, and I'm going to offer those for sale, and I'm going to offer them free shipping. However, I'm just going to throw in about $5, $6, $7 into the price of the items to compensate for the free shipping, which, I mean, anything that you buy off the internet that says free shipping, you're paying shipping in the cost of the item that you're getting. But anyway, so if you guys are interested, in no pressure at all. I mean, there is absolutely no pressure, but if you're interested, I will have the link to my Etsy shop in the description box. And I don't know when I'm going to add them, because, I work, and, the girl's working, and all of this going on, YouTube and my normal everyday life. I got to find like 5 minutes to get to stop and take pictures and get all the items together that I want to sell. And yeah, so having said that, I have not had a lot of time to do any of my personal crocheting for myself, to where, to show you guys. I haven't had time. I was gonna see, I just had I lost my train of thought. I was gonna show you something, but now I don't remember what it was. And now I'm trying to see what it was that I was gonna show you. But anyway, so So there's that. I am working on some upcoming tutorials. Nothing too fancy. Or not, well, I guess I shouldn't say nothing too fancy. I should say, you know, nothing too big. Although there is a shirt, like a top with a matching shawl coming that I am this close to being done with. And I have it measured out, not measured out, I have it worked out for a small, medium, large, extra large, and 2XL, or just extra large. I don't remember. But so keep an eye out for that, because I am proud of that, and I've worked really hard on this, but it's coming. I'm this close to getting it done. And then I've got, what have I got coming up? I don't know, I got a bunch of stuff coming up. So having said that, I'm going to end this by saying subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Check out my description box. There's going to be a link to my Etsy shop that's going to have the stuff that I was telling you that I'm posting to sell. And let's see. There's links to my Facebook group, Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff. And hit that subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm getting tired. I got off work and I'm just like... Alright, I'm going to get out of here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.